Our next little project is going to be bacon wrapped asparagus. As you can see, I've got bacon, I've got asparagus. This is super easy. You're going to grab, let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So let's just say 16. There's 4 of us. 4 times 4 is a delicious dinner for 4 people. So we're going to grab up 4 asparagus. These are frozen. I like this best, using the frozen ones. I'm going to set them on my tray. Another strip of bacon. Another 4 asparagus. You can see how I'm just wrapping that and setting it down. Now you may have that one person in your family that says, I don't like asparagus. Well, that's great. They just get the 3 one instead of the 4 one. There you go, my pals. Bacon wrapped asparagus. I'm going to lay the rest of this bacon out on this cookie sheet because since I'm cooking it, I might as well cook it all so that I can add it to recipes later on. You know how I do things around here. Let's get going.